Hey guys, we're gonna make sausage ragu with pappardelle. It looks like this. It looks awesome, right? It doesn't take that long. The ragu only needs 30 minutes of cooking time. So if you're fast, if you chop up your stuff, you get it all ready, you get your pasta in, this recipe can be made in under 45 minutes. It's worth it. Let's do it.
All right, so we're gonna chop some onion. About a medium dice. Doesn't have to be exact. Do a little garlic, about 6 to 8 cloves. Okay, we're going to put some oil in the pan. We're going to lightly saute these on low, medium, low heat. We don't want to brown them. We just want to get them nice and soft. Probably going to take about 7 to 10 minutes to get them soft. And then after they get soft, we're going to add the garlic in. Right there. Okay, so let the garlic go for about a minute, and then we'll get the sausage in. We can raise our heat a little bit at this point now, mix those onions in and the garlic together with the sausage. Okay, I'm breaking it up with my wooden spoon. You want to try to get the pieces as small as you can. If you don't, it's still okay. I switched to a larger pan here because I'm going to have a lot of sauce coming in. I probably should have done that earlier on. Okay, salt, hot pepper, and oregano I put in. I'm adding tomato paste. I'm adding a can's worth. Don't worry, all the ingredients are in the recipe card, which is in the description. Okay, I'm mixing that paste in. I'm letting it cook for about 5 minutes. And after it cooks out, then I'm going to add plum tomatoes. So I hand crushed them, and I put them in, mix them around, and then I'm going to let this simmer on about medium-low. Cover, you can lightly cover, you can crack it. I'm setting up my pasta water now, okay? And I'm checking it again now, and so it's, flavors are coming together, letting it cook, showing it now how it looks. Okay, salt in the water, use 2 tablespoons of kosher salt per gallon of water as a general rule. It's just a good amount to stick to. Okay, adding my pappardelle in. Pappardelle tends to stick together when you use it dried, so you got to try to really mix around right now and, just ensure that it doesn't stick. All right, so checking that sauce one more time. It's looking good. Okay, some of the water is evaporated. If you want more evaporation, you could just crack that lid. Yeah, so it's looking real good right now, and getting ready probably to add some cream. Well, actually, we're going to do the pasta water first. Excuse me. I'm doing voiceovers in case you don't realize. I actually think voiceovers are better. So there's my cream now. Okay, so yeah, I'm just saying that half and half can break if you add it. Okay, it can separate. Use heavy cream, turn your heat to low. It's not going to break. 99 out of 100 times it's not going to break. And you don't want it to break. You want it to look good. Okay, and I'm talking now about you don't want to over-sauce it. So what I'm going to do is before I add my pasta, my al dente pasta to it, I'm going to remove some of the sauce from the pan. Yep, mixing it all around. Looking good. And basically, I'm talking about like cheese. You could add cheese in it if you want. You don't have to. And I'm going to test it right now. Taste test it, adjust any salt and pepper if need be. If it's all good, then you can sauce it. Now you can sauce in a big bowl. Okay, just use what you need. That's totally fine. I'm going to sauce it in a pan right now, in a clean pan. So I'm going to add some of my ragu to the pan. Okay, I got my heat on pretty much low. I'm going to add my pappardelle in. And I'm just going to mix it all around, get it all good. If it's too thick at this point, use some of that reserved pasta water. Just add a couple tablespoons at a time to get that perfect consistency. But, I think this is looking perfect right like this. Yep. So, let's plate it. Like I said again, if you want it looser, just add a touch of pasta water. I'm finishing it with a touch of basil. And that's pretty much it. Yep. Oh, Parmigiano cheese right at the end. So grate a little bit on.
Take 95. I hope you enjoyed the pappardelle sausage cream sauce. Do me a favor, if you liked it, if you like these instructions, like, subscribe, share this, do all that good stuff. And until then, I'll see you next time.